months ago, a friend of mine gave me this huge ass box of MREs, mystery MREs. He got them from his brother-in-law, so who knows how long he's had them or how they've been stored. Now, according to some of the dates, this would make these 2002. Some of the packages, they almost feel like they might be swollen. But you know what? We're going to open some of these because they all come like this. I don't know what's in these. I don't know what meals they are and all that. This one right here is spaghetti and meat sauce. So, we'll see. Here's like one of the old packets. So you can tell it's old. It's got Taster's Choice in it and all that. Let's open some of these up. I already opened a couple just to see what was in them. Fudge brownie. And all right, let's just open some up, because I'm curious too. And this is how they all came. You can see they're all like this. Here's a cherry blueberry cobbler. It's like it said. I'm not sure the date on these. Spaghetti with meat sauce. Cherry blueberry cobbler. All right, let's just try some. We'll open some of these up and maybe even give them a test out too, just to smell, sniff and smell, because I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure how they've been stored. Golly. I'm not even sure. They look military, you know. I tried to look up some information on these, and I cannot find them. I don't know where he got them from. Penny with vegetable sausage and tomato sauce. Spice pound cake. It doesn't smell bad. Doesn't taste bad either, actually. Huh. Peanut butter. Now see, you would think that this is 2002, 39, but this right here is raisins. But the first date on there would be a 9. That would be 2009, not 19, 2009. Crackers, 2009. And that would be what this is, 2009 as well. Let's open up this penne vegetable sausage. Let's just see. Package doesn't look swollen or anything. It doesn't smell bad either. Let's open up another one, see what else we got here. I'm really kind of interested in knowing all this. Cherry blueberry cobbler, spaghetti with meat sauce. Got the green pepper sauce. Awesome. I'm actually curious to find out here. Golly, hands ain't working. And this coffee, I drink Taster's Choice a lot of times. Just interested in, well, and it still smells good too. It's not molded or anything. Well, matches. All right. Well, beverage base powder lemonade. Baked snack cracker, cheese spread, Chipotle snack bread. Interesting. I have never seen that before. Chipotle snack bread. Interesting. Huh. Still smells good. Yeah, like I said, I do not know anything about these. I'm just opening them up, checking them out. Penis sausage, vegetable sausage, spice pound cake again. Look like a lot of repeats. Tropical fruit base. But all of it looks like 2009. So, honestly, let's see if these crackers still have a hiss. I couldn't tell. Of course, they're falling apart, but still kind of crunchy. Flavorless, pretty much. Interesting, though. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not going to taste test really any of this stuff. I don't feel like getting deathly sick just in case. But I'm, like I said, I don't know how this stuff's been stored, but it smells fine. And it's 2009, so it makes it 10 years old. And it looks like, you know, if it's, I don't, usually, but see, there's a zero. Maybe it's 2000. Or maybe it's 2010. You know, but on the packages on the inside, you know, they all have a 9. And usually that indicates that's the last number of the year that it was made. And I know that these menus are not 2019 menus. They're 2009. So, interesting. Interesting. You like that? Fudge Brownie, 2009. It smells. Yeah. A little funky. Yeah. But a lot of it, I mean, it smells fine. I have never seen or even heard of the Chipotle bread. That's very interesting. Anyway, that's really my video, is just kind of unboxing these mystery MREs. And the reason I say mystery is because this is how I got them. You know, a lot of times the MREs, you know, you're familiar with them. They come in the package, in the big bag. They tell you what they are, tells you what's on it, stuff like that. You know, the menu. These have none of that. So it looks like either they've all been taken out of a main package, and because a lot of MREs do have an internal package like this. A lot of them are clear though. I've never seen the brown ones. I'm not sure what these are. If anybody knows anything about this stuff, I mean, it's obviously military. Obviously from 2019 or something, or not 19, 2009. So I don't know. I mean, your guess is as good as mine. I've looked up, and that's what I figured, you know, found out through MRE info, is that these menus are all 2009 menus. But I've never seen packages like this. So I mean, it's kind of, that's why I'm saying mystery MREs, because I don't know what they are for sure, and you don't know what you're getting. It's kind of a thing, and I've only seen what, a couple different menus now. So whatever's in here, you know, this is the same thing as this. It's penne with vegetable sausage, excuse me, and then spaghetti with meat sauce and cherry blueberry cobbler. So if anybody knows anything about these MREs, let me know. I've got a bunch of unopened ones here. Shoot, probably 8 or 9 of them that are unopened. Anyway, just gonna do a quick video on this mystery MREs. I know there's a lot of MRE folks out there that are bigger into MREs, that may know more about this. Let me know if you know anything about them. I mean, like I said, they look military, and they all still smell reasonably good. This has a little chemically smell to it though, but it didn't smell bad though. It didn't smell bad. All right, anyway, there you go. Keep it heavy.